How to fix TikTok video under review problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix TikTok video under review problem. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch TikTok and make sure to log into your account. So when you visit your profile and if you have such video which is under review, then it might be due to the violation of community guidelines because TikTok has some criteria and community guidelines which should be followed. So you need to first of all understand why your video has been kept under review. So after that, you need to review the TikTok's community guidelines and make sure your video complies. If your video is stuck for a long time, you can report a problem. Tap three-line icon from your profile at top of the screen and select Setting and Privacy option. Scroll to the bottom and select Report a problem. Now scroll to the bottom and select Chat with us button. And here you will see Send a Message button. Select that. And then you need to type in your problem, that is fixing TikTok video under review problem. Here you will see multiple questions and answer. You can easily go ahead and open the particular link, and if one of them matches to your issue, then you can easily follow the steps and solve your problem. So future, or if you again face the problem same on your future, you need to simply make sure that you follow all the TikTok community guidelines, because violating such community guidelines will make your TikTok video under review. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.